we got here? What do we got here? Oh, look at that power. Got us a little wiring job going on. 1951, 3100 Chevrolet pick-em-up truck. Putting a painless wiring harness in it. We getting there. Got the cool old school logo. Back at it.